Hey everyone, this is Ernest with D9. Just want to give a quick intro to the new program from Adobe, which is called Edge. It's been out for a little while. Right now, it's in the beta testing. I've been playing around with it so far, and from what I see, I like a lot about it. For one of the most important things that I believe Adobe wanted to do is kind of bring in CSS and HTML5. I think they're starting to see that a lot of developers are looking towards that, and they're wanting to be a little bit more universal than proprietary to Flash. I don't know if Flash is going to replace. I'm not sure if Edge or CSS, whatever, is going to replace Flash, but I'll tell you what, they're going to give them a run for their money. Just from playing with it within 5 or 10 minutes, I mean, you can pretty much understand it completely if you do understand div tags and how CSS works. So here you can see the initial layout for Edge. Down here you have your timeline. Here is what you have where you can paste in images. Basically, this is going to be where your project file is going to be located. Over here on the left, it's going to be where your tools, and over here on the right is where you're going to see your div tags be created. Also, you'll see some code snaps over here as well. But what I'll do is I'll create just a simple object and have it animate across the screen. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and select a triangle or a rectangle. Go ahead and draw it on the board. As you can see, the toolbar opens up with different controls that you can use. And what we're going to want to do is have the box move from top to bottom. And it's really simple to do this. So on the timeline, you'll select how long you want it to animate. We'll go ahead and scrub the timeline bar or control over to, let's say, 3 seconds. Okay. Once you're there, you're going to go ahead and select Add Keyframe. Now what you're initially doing is you're telling Edge that you want to start animating object. Once you've selected that keyframe, you're going to start back to the beginning, and you're going to go ahead and create another keyframe. Now this is the part that's really easy. It almost feels like it's a Flash program, but believe it or not, this is actually div tags and CSS. So all you need to do is take your object, drag it to the top, it could be anywhere, drop it, and as you'll see that Edge created an animated object on the timeline indicated in yellow. So if you take your scrub bar or your scrub controller and scrub it, you'll see your box animate. You can also hit the space bar to see it animate as well. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on just a quick overview of Edge and one of the features that it can do as far as animating div tags. Next video, I'll go ahead and get more in depth of what else Edge can do, but as of now, it is limited on some of the things that it can do, and I can't wait for new releases. Thanks a lot, guys.